What's up, people? Welcome back to Cali Valley. Today we're in Santa Cruz, California, heading downtown to see what all the fuss is about. So come join us.
We're in the downtown Santa Cruz area. There's like no one around us. There's a decent amount of people, but we're just in the spot where there's nobody. They have some of the roads blocked off so that all the restaurants can have like in the street dining. So it's pretty cool. We're making two different mini candles. We're doing one that's ombre blue. Mini candles. One that's ombre blue and one that's rainbow.
Yeah, so they got these chalk drawings all down the main street, Pacific Avenue. Pretty awesome. Thank you. So we're heading back to the hotel right now from downtown Pacific Avenue, and out of all the fine cuisine options that were on that road, we chose Five Guys. Don't judge us, but you can't pass up Five Guys. It's too far away from our house, so whenever we see it, we gotta take advantage.
So we're taking it back to our hotel.
Gonna eat there.
Watch some TV. And we'll see you on day 2.
It is about 6 in the morning. I'm gonna head down to the beach, see if I can get a sunrise. Go to a little longboard cruise. Come join me. Back to the hotel. Gonna grab some breakfast for the wife and kid. Had a pretty fun time down here. It's freezing. It's like 50 degrees right now. The pizza was open. Good morning. It's like good morning.
Hi guys, it's day 2. We're going to take you to the boardwalk with us.
Let's go.
Parking was $20. I think that's more than it normally is. And they're doing limited parking, so I believe that means like half the capacity over there. None of the rides are open. The restaurants are getting ready to serve food. It's 10 a.m. so still kind of early. The beach is super spaced out. Like the closest person's like 40 feet away. So we have plenty of room.
There's a guy over there trying to fly a drone right now. Little does he know, seagulls hate drones. Ask me how I know. Enough with the boardwalk, we're heading back to Pacific Ave because we gotta visit the best pizza place in Santa Cruz, Pizza My Heart, because it ain't a trip unless you go to Pizza My Heart.
And to be honest, we already ate there yesterday.
But you guys don't know about that. So let's go.
Okay, that'll do it for this video. We hope you liked seeing Santa Cruz, and we will see you in the next one.
See ya.